Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into the whirlwind of event that unfolded on social media last week, and trust me, it was a roller coaster like no other. I was just pondering about all the jaw-dropping moments, the drama, the laughter, and even a touch of inspiration that graced our screen. So buckle up while we try to reminisce about some of the things that happened last week from the wild world of social media. I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me that it was indeed a week of great turbulence. Last week on social media, it was like a carnival of chaos. The crab lady made quite a scene, leaving us all shell-shocked as she decided that her crab selling spot was the perfect place for a bathroom break. Her emotional meltdown on social media only added to the spectacle. Then there's Tina Chin, who couldn't contain her excitement over the prospect of a retainer and a potential lawsuit. She slept like a baby, contented, she said. This legal guru, relishing the absurdity of it all. It was like a legal comedy show we never knew we needed. Meanwhile, Marcia Campbell faced an alleged eviction, but she wasn't going down without a fight. She declared war on the army she believed was going to get her, the people who she believes are trying to get her. And then she accused 99 of being her copycat. Is she the real trendsetter or just seen her own shadow? LaDonna, on the other hand, continued her loyal tour on social media, taking a jab at Auntie Donna for chatting too much. LaDonna has found a new lease of life. She embraced a newfound freedom, liberating her from the shackles of loyalty to truth and righteousness. It's a whole new LaDonna, ready to dance to the beat of her own drum and to everybody else's. The landlord continued simmering on with anger as, she has a bone to pick with Lady V and Marcia. Lady V posted an emotional message that tugged at the heartstring of her followers. Kingston 13 came out in defiant support of Lady V and her daughter. The drama has reached new heights. Harry has been plotting a comeback as Shanty 360 is practically setting up camp with no eviction in sight. And Marcia Campbell is not happy about this. Untouchable Gracie, like the prodigal soul, has found her way back to the grace of God, liberating herself from the slanderous side of social media. Her views have dwindled, but she's happier than ever, Lord have mercy, on a newfound peace. But let's not forget the wise counsel of Dr. Love, who remains a guiding light in this whirlwind of social media melodrama, offering his heartwarming advice to all. Oh, did I say Auntie Donna had an epiphany moment, finally embracing accountability with a little help from Kay. Wow, so much happened last week in the zany world of social media, and you can bet it's going to be another roller coaster this week. Stay tuned for more twists and turns and comedy gold. Have I forgotten anyone? Please remind me in the comment. Until next time, tune in for the next episode of this social media circus. Have a great day, my lovelies. One love.